Where's the alligator? Do you see him? Good girl. Do you see it? Where is it? Do you see the alligator? Let's see. Hold on a second. They might show him again. Let's see. Do you see the bear? I don't see the bear. See him? I saw him. Good girl. Can I see? I don't know. Do you see him? I don't see him. Good girl. Cody, I know you're not getting any attention. It's okay. Come here. Look, is he gonna come back? Watch out, I think he's gonna come. I think you're gonna see him. There he is.
Wow.
Can you say gator?
Uh-oh.
Can you say gator?
Yes.
Good girl. Can you say go?
No.
No? Just alligators?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Good girl. You like the alligators?
No.
I knew you were going to say that. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to Mommy. Say bye-bye to Mommy.
Bye-bye.
Say Papa. Can you say Papa? Oh, I know you're tired. Can you say Papa?
No.
Okay. Okay. Bye, Lauren. Good girl. Lauren.